Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing my anti-aging makeup routine at 44. I'm addressing two main concerns, filling fine lines and lifting my face. Let me show you. Hair up first. Now under eye tapes. Game changer for mature eyes. Sharp edges and instant lift. Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. Covers discoloration, long lasting. Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau Palette. Paloma lights shade all over the lid. Opens up hooded eyes. Fleur with blending brush. Transition shade in the crease. Metro darker shade in the outer corner. Adds depth. Champagne shimmer with my finger. Inner corner and center. Blend. And done. Handaiyan red eyeliner from Amazon. Super pigmented. Red makes my green eyes pop. Wings first, line the lid, fill it in. Revolution Brow Pomade and NYX Brow Glue. Brush up, draw the top line, fill the bottom. Brow glue to keep them lifted. My lashes are sparse, part of aging. Curl with Catrice curler, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Removing tapes, look at that lift. Revolution Fix and Glow Primer, adding that extra glow. Mixing Maybelline Lumi Matte 98 and Catrice Invisible Cover 37W. Catrice True Skin Concealer 10, inner corner below the wing. Catrice Melting Bronzer, cheekbones and forehead for lift. Primer Violet Blush, Huda Dupe. Blend with Sauce Sponge, dab, don't drag. Careline Meteorite Pearls in Clair, perfect glow for over 40. I'm using it as a setting powder all over the face. Revolution Golden Sugar Palette, bronzing shades on cheekbones and forehead. Pink glowy shade, cheeks and high points. Final touches with lip combo. Catrice Lip Plumper shade 40, ombre effect. And Kiko Lip Oil Milky Way shade 1, unicorn shimmer. Final step, primer shimmer setting spray. Locks everything in place while keeping that glow. Look at this result. Face looks lifted and radiant. These techniques really work for mature skin at 44. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more anti-aging makeup tips, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.